Reasons why you should join Vogel skygen. We have a massive spawn with stuff like starter gens, teleports, and more. We also have a PvP mine, where players can mine blocks to sell, as well as PvP with each other. We have a big sell area, where players can sell what they have mined and make money. We have a very large amount of kits to choose from, ranging from PvP kits to other kits. We also have private smelters, where you can open kits and smelt your ores. We have a rank shop. Here you can purchase ranks and have them show next to your name in chat. There are even more features coming to Vogel soon. So go ahead and join the realm code at the bottom of the screen and play Vogel skygen.